Kohl's topping the tape today after announcing CEO Michelle Gass will step down on December 2nd. Shares of the company jumping on the news before closing more than 7% higher. Gass is moving over to Levi Strauss, where she will become president in January. But what will this mean for the company that she is leaving? Well, investors are happy it's higher by 7%. Jeff Mills, you've been looking into this.
Yeah, I mean, they're happy for now. I mean, the board was refreshed, like a year ago, and it's continued to lag its peers. So I think leadership shakeup at the top is probably inevitable. But so here's the good news. It's cheap at 8 times earnings relative to its history. It's still 40% below its 200-day. So I think you could have some momentum just because the stock's oversold. But it's really been dead money for about 20 years, typically trading between that $40 and $70 level. So again, it's quite a bit below that. But I think with a lot of these retail companies, and I've said this before, what they're doing is they're passing along higher prices to consumers and they're masking falling unit demand. So I think that's exactly what's going on here. So you have these nominal sales numbers that look pretty good. These companies aren't firing people, so the labor market remains strong. That keeps the Fed completely locked in. And then when you have pricing power fade and demand really declines, I think it creates even more of a problem. And the last thing I'll say, and I think just because it's a great example and it's a stock we always talk about, but Amazon, for example. So nominal sales, 14% above pre-COVID trend. Real sales, inflation-adjusted sales have now fallen back to that pre-COVID trend. Their workforce is still 20% above that pre-COVID trend. So those are the dynamics going on in retail right now, and I think that continues, and you want to be defensive, the Walmarts, the Dollar Gens of the world.
You know, it's interesting. For Levi's, this seems like a really good hire when you think about how difficult it is for brands navigating this kind of, Jeff just mentioned Amazon. I mean, Amazon's a big customer of Levi's. Walmart's nearly a 10% customer. Kohl's was nearly a 4% customer. It seems like probably a good hire for a company like that trying to negotiate or navigate this changing retail environment with bricks and mortar and having this kind of barbell approach.
What do they call it when you bury the lead?
Bury the lead.
So they call it that. It's odd that they would call it that. Here's the lead. They guided higher for the third quarter, and operating margins were better, 4.7%. This stock should be higher, to Jeff Mills' point. Now, we'll attribute it to the CEO transition. I get it, but that's not entirely the story. So here's a stock that's probably going to see, 16% or so EPS growth, trading at a trough multiple, an environment where stocks like this can go up 15, 20% on nothing. I think you can own Kohl's here.
So Jeff Mills says it's been dead money. A guy makes it seem like it's just simply been fallow, to use a term that Carter uses.
Oh, there it is.
So which is it? So this is a game specifically for Carter, where it's dead money or fallow.
Well, something about being dead, of course, is dead, whereas fallow has potential if you make use of something that's like a fallow field. In any event, here's the issue. I mean, 3, 4, 5 months ago, the street said this company would earn $7 next year. Now they think it's going to earn $3. The problem with the numerator-denominator game, PE ratio, is if your denominator is collapsing like that, is it ever cheap? This stock is the exact same price it was in August of 1998. Jeff referred to that. And its relative peak to all consumer discretionary stocks was in 2000. It's just, why bother?
So it's dead money, not fallow.
I would go with dead money.
Yeah, okay. That's how you play the game. It's a good game. I just made it up.
What would be the graphics
for
that game, though? Like a headstone for
dead money, and then like a plow for fallow?
A brown field that has potential if something comes to life. And
it's not very visual. We'll think about it.